Hey guys, my name is Cassandra, and in today's video, I'm going to share my first impression on the Dream Cut machine. So, I got this a while ago from the BeCre8ive website, and as you can see, it came covered in bubble wrap. So, let's remove it. And this is what the box looks like. Here on the top, it is mentioned that it cuts up to A5 width and it is compatible with most type of dies like wafer thin dies, steel ruler dies and embossing folders. And here below, all the materials which can be embossed and cut using this machine are mentioned. And here all the different things that can be created using this machine is mentioned. So I'll flip this box. Okay, it has the same thing this side as well. On this side, we have the steps. I'll get onto this later. And here is the MRP mentioned. It retails for 5,500 rupees, but I got it when there was some offer going on, so I got it on discount. Okay, so here on this side, we can see the contents of the box. Now let's open it. As mentioned on the box cover, it contains one A plate, two B plates and one C plate. And it also contains two cutting pads. Here I have my 1-year warranty card along with my invoice. So as I had mentioned earlier, I got this on a discount. It actually retails for 5,500 rupees and I got it for 4,180 rupees. And this is the instruction manual. As you can see, the handle came in a separate pack, and along with the handle we have a screw to attach the handle, and we have a key to tighten the screw. So let's attach the handle now. And yeah, I have fixed the handle here and it is all ready to be used. I am literally so excited to use it. Let me just grab the instruction manual and start using it. First I'll try the die cutting and then I'll try the embossing. So to die cut, first place the white base platform A on a flat surface and cover it with plate C. Next, place the cutting die on top of plate C with the cutting side facing up. So you can see this is the cutting side of the die. So I am going to place it facing upward. Then place a suitable paper or cardstock on top and cover it with plate B. And yeah, this is the arrangement for the die cutting. Now let's cut and see how it turns out. Okay, so here it is, and as you can see the die has actually cut into plate B, but this is absolutely normal. And here is my die, and as you can see it has cut perfectly, and I am absolutely happy with the result. Now let's try the embossing. So to emboss, first we need to place the white base platform A on a flat surface. Then we need to cover it with plate B. Next we have to place the embossing folder on top with a suitable paper or cardstock sandwiched inside the embossing folder. And then we have to cover it with plate C. But you can use plate B as well. I have used plate B here. Now I'm going to insert this tag in the machine and let's see how this turns out. So this has also turned out perfect, and I am very happy with the result. And this is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I have more videos coming up soon, so hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post, and see you in the next video. Bye.